Welcome back to my classroom, Call Keys Classroom. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can download and install CCleaner. What CCleaner does is it cleans all the junk off your computer. Whenever you surf the internet, regardless of what browser you're using, Edge, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, it doesn't matter. Whatever browser you're using, you collect all kinds of different things because the computer records everything that the browser sees, and then it saves it in several different locations throughout your computer, and it takes up a gob of space. So CCleaner allows you to delete all the junk files on your computer. It does not delete passwords and usernames. It only deletes junk files. So we're going to go download it right now. To do that, use whatever browser you are used to using. I like Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, so that's the one I'm going to use. And again, I like Yahoo search engine. You can use whatever search engine you want, doesn't matter. And this is where you type it in here. So we want CCleaner, and of course we want the free one. So we're not going to click on any of these. We're just going to click on the search, and let's see which one I want to do. Actually, I think I'm going to do view this all products. You might get this. We value your privacy. Click OK to allow cookies to improve your experience. It doesn't matter what you click on, whether you reject all, click OK. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to click OK. So anyway, up here where it says download, so we want to download CCleaner right here. If you have a Mac Apple computer, you can do it for Mac. We're going to do CCleaner right here. Download CCleaner. We don't want to pay for it, so we don't want the Pro. We just want a free download right here. And again, if you're Mozilla Firefox, it's going to download it right up here. Edge browser, I believe, downloads it there, and Google Chrome, not sure. It might do it in the same place as well. So once it's downloaded, you click on Open File. You want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Now you may not see that pop-up box because for some reason Wondershare doesn't record that, but I'm seeing it, and yes, the answer is yes, you do want to allow this app to make changes to your device. So yes. If you click cancel, it won't install, so you want to click yes. It's unpacking it, getting ready to install it right now. We don't need any of these browsers open, so we're going to go up here to the right hand corner and X out of it. So this is Cleaner version 6.3.4. We want to install it, but I like to do a custom just so that I can pick and choose what I want. Okay, so we're going to do custom. I am going to uncheck all of this stuff here. I'm going to leave add desktop shortcut to this program, but everything else I'm unchecking, so then you should click install, and it will then put a shortcut on your desktop for this program for you to run. So this is another browser, CCleaner browser. I've never downloaded it, I've never played with it, I don't know how it is, but I like the Firefox browser, so I don't need another browser. So I'm going to uncheck this, and I'm going to decline their offer. And now it's going to install the CCleaner 6.34. I'm going to uncheck this view release notes, and I'm going to run the cleaner. Now, if I've already worked on your computer, it's already on your computer. You don't need to run this program. These videos are mainly, especially the program ones, are mainly for people that have not worked on your computer, because I'm hoping that this will go worldwide. So here you want to click on Start Cleaner, and you want to the first time you run this, you really need to do this health check, otherwise it'll bug you to death to do it. So run your first scan. I leave all these checked, so it's going to automatically close the Edge browser. It's not even open. Microsoft OneDrive, I don't like the OneDrive. Internet Explorer browser, I don't even know why it's there, because we don't even use that one anymore. So we're going to close these programs. And so now that's going to run. Again, health check. The first time you run your computer is going to be the only time you run it. After that, you're going to run custom clean. These things here that have the red mark, these are programs that you have to buy, and we're not going to buy this program. Okay, so it found 1,781 items that can be deleted. Yours number may be way up there, especially if you've never run this program. So these are the different things it's going to delete: the cookies and the browsing history, places that you've been to on the internet, and temporary internet files. So it's going to free up 110 MB worth of space on the computer. So we're going to click on clean. Just let it run. This is only a one-time run. After this, you'll do custom clean. Again, it's telling you that it freed up the space. Click next. Don't change any settings. Click clean. Again, we're going to close some programs, and then you're going to click next, and we're going to skip this. We can't do any of these because this is on the paid version, so we're going to skip for now. And that's going to take us back here to the beginning. So we're going to click done, and then again takes you back to the beginning. So when you open up CCleaner, it always comes here. This area down here costs money, so you have 14 programs slowing down your PC. Don't believe everything you read. Okay, that's going to slow down your. You have to. Don't click on resolve. You have to buy this program in order to do that. So we're not going to run health check ever again, one-time deal, but you are going to run custom clean weekly. I suggest you run this weekly. I suggest you leave all these things check marked just exactly the way they are right now. You don't need to click analyze because we want to clean everything. We're not going to run the program and then go back and have to clean it. That to me would be silly. So we're going to click on run cleaner. When it gets up to 100%, it'll be done. If you have a lot of stuff on your computer and you've never run it before, it will take a while. It'll take a long while actually to get up to 100%. But when it's 100%, it'll be done. If you get this pop-up box that OneDrive needs to be closed, you click check mark this. Do not show me this message again. It never will show it to you again. And yes, you do want to close it. And so it found 27 MB worth of junk that it removed. So that's great. So now that's the first program. This is CCleaner. So this is the first part of the program you're going to run. First time out, you have to run health check like we just ran. Second time you do it, just do the custom clean, just like we just did. And then to do, well, let's change the setting here. Let's first go to options, users, updates, uncheck this, send notifications when there's a new version of CCleaner. Why uncheck that? I don't want you to update it. It's very complicated to update. I don't want you to update it. It's too easy to fall into the trap of getting something that you don't want. So advanced, leave those markings alone. Privacy, uncheck these. I've already unchecked them on my computer. Uncheck those. You don't need those. About, it just tells you what version it is. And of course we don't have a license key because we haven't bought it. Okay, so that you only do this once, this option once, and then to run the second part of this program you click on tools and you come up here to the registry. Okay, leave everything check marked there, don't change anything, and then click on scan for issues. So this is finding invalid links in the computer's registry. The registry is where everything's programmed, and a lot of times if you're deleting things off your computer like we are right now, it will create invalid links in the computer's registry. The first time you run this, it's going to have hundreds and hundreds of invalid links in the registry, and we do want to delete those entries because that's what the computer has to look at when it shuts down and when it boots up, and so that sometimes is a very slow progress. So we do want to make those go away, and in my case it found 2. In your case it probably found hundreds and hundreds. So in your case they're automatically check marked. So if it gets up to 100%, you can click on Review Selected Issues, and then it pops open this box. You want to back up the registry before making changes. And the rule of thumb since the beginning, the creation of computers, is that you should back stuff up when you change the registry, and so I've always lived up to that. So yes, I want to back it up. Now I created a folder in my document folder called Registry Backup For CCleaner. I think that's what you should do as well. So it'll take you probably to your like C drive or whatever, like here for example. And so you would need to go to your documents, wherever your documents are on your computer. Let's see here. But I created in my document folder, there we go, I created this folder called Registry Backup For CCleaner, and that's where I put all my invalid links in the registry. So I date the first one. Actually the date is right here, but I like to, that after a while blends all in together. So I like to put an underscore, and I put the date, like today, April 5th, 2025. You only have to do that once, but you do have to click save. Okay, so you can leave whatever's there as long as you got it underneath Registry Backup For CCleaner, and then click save, and then it pops open this box, and you click on Fix All Selected Issues. 2 issues were fixed. In your case it could be thousands of issues were fixed, and then you click close, and now you're done running the program. Go to the top right hand corner and exit out. That's it. It's free. It allows you to delete a bunch of junk off your computer. It does not delete users' names and passwords. It only deletes the garbage that's on your computer. So that's CCleaner. It's a short video. I thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. God bless.